myself, Tri Andoni, a chemistry education student at Medan State University. In this video, I will discuss the problem of dirty water and how to purify it using a coagulation technique. Use mooring seeds and leaves as a coagulant. So let's get right to it. Let's go!
Water is very important component in human, animal, and plant life. Especially for human water use and water utilization, but be done appropriately and wisely. About 3/4 of the human body consists of the water. Human will not be able to survive 4 or 5 days without drinking water. Apart from that, water is also used for daily needs such as washing, cooking, and bathing. However, it's not uncommon for us to see water sources that are unfit for use. In other words, a dirty water. Water pollution is a condition caused by the input of the pollutant lots of waste in the form of gas, dissolved material, and particulates. Pollutants that enter water bodies can be through the atmosphere, soil, agricultural land, domestic, urban, industrial waste, and etc., which can have a negative impact on the environment. There are also impacts of water pollution, including decreasing environmental quality, disrupting the beauty of the region, accelerating the process of environmental damage on the impact on human health. Dirty water is a problem that can threaten the health and stability of the surrounding environment. The health problems caused by dirty water include diarrhea, itchy skin, and so on. So it's very important to pay attention to the clean lines of water when using it in everyday life. The importance of clean water for life forces us to have the ability to process dirty wastewater into water that is clean and suitable for use. There are many water treatment techniques to make dirty water clear and clean. Among them are filter technique, purification technique with carbon charcoal, and coagulation technique. Coagulation is a water purification technique. This technique involves the use of chemical called a coagulant to precipitate dirty particles in the water. This coagulant plays a role in forming floc or clumping together dissolved particulate in water to form floc, which then settle and are separated between the water and the settled particulate floc so that clean and dirt-free water is obtained. The coagulants that are often used are synthetic chemicals such as aluminum sulfate, iron chloride, or polyelectrolytes. However, in this video, we will replace this coagulant using natural ingredients that are around us. In this experiment, I use mooring acids and leaves as substitute for synthetic coagulants such as aluminum sulfate, iron chloride, and others. Mooring acids leaves are known to contain cationic, polyelectrolyte, and natural flocculant with a polypeptide-based chemical composition. As a bioflocculant, dried mooring acids and leaves can be used to coagulate particulate in the dirty water. Apart from that, the use of mooring leaf seeds as biocoagulant can be used to reduce metal level in water such as lead, cadmium metal ion, iron, and manganese ion in the water, and can reduce turbidity and color intensity. So, I was interested in conducting experiment and directly proving the effectiveness of mooring acids and leaf for water purification. So what's the video like? Let's go! Prepare 7 beaker glass and stirring rod, 105 grams moringa seeds and leaves, and 105 watts water. The procedure: prepare a 750 millibakers. Put 200 ml of wet water each into 7 bakers. In 1 to 3 bakers, add 0.5 grams of moringa leaf powder. In a 4 to 6 baker, add 0.5 grams of moringa seeds powder. In the 7 baker, keep it as a comparison. Stir quickly in baker 1 to 6 for approximately 30 seconds. Observe clarity at varying times of 6, 12, and 24 hours. After letting it sit for 1 day, observe the sediment level of clarity and observe the smell of the water. In the first 6 hours of observation, water containing moringa leaves is still dark brown and dirty. Meanwhile, moringa seeds are clear but there are still impurity particles. On 12-hour observation, water containing moringa leaves turn light brown and dirty. Meanwhile, moringa seeds are clear and no particulates are visible. At 24-hour observation, water containing moringa leaves is light brown in color and still has visible impurities. Meanwhile, moringa seeds are clear and no particulates are visible and there is sediment under the baker.
Discussion: moringa seeds and leaf contain polyelectrolytes which can precipitate dirty particle and particulate in water. The setting process involves a fast stirring process of 30 seconds and slow stirring for 5 minutes. This stirring aims to influence the collision process between colloids containing metal ion and particulate, thereby destabilizing the metal colloid ion and particulate with negative ions from moringa seeds and leaf coagulant, so that large sediment flocs are formed through sedimentation occurs. The variation in sample clearing time were carried out, namely 6, 12, and 24 hours. The conclusion my experiment is the experiment on water purification using moringa seeds and leaves demonstrate the both can serve an effective coagulant, replacing synthetic chemical coagulant. Among the two, moringa seeds and proves to be more efficient in clarifying water. This finding offers a promising solution for addressing dirty water issues by converting it into clean water. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video experiment and see you. Bye!